In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images clickable on your Squarespace website. Whether you want to direct users to another page on your site or an external link, having clickable images can enhance user experience and increase engagement. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is the hub where you can manage and customize your site, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to choose an image that you want to make clickable. This could be an image that's already on your page, or a new one that you'd like to add. Either way, simply click on the image to move forward. After selecting your image, you'll notice an option to link. This is what allows you to attach a URL to your image, making it clickable. Go ahead and click on the Edit button. You should now see a range of settings and options related to the image you've chosen. Now you'll want to look for the link or URL section. Once you've found this, click on URL. This is where you'll input the web address or the specific URL that users will be directed to when they click on your image. It's important to ensure that the URL you enter is accurate and leads to the correct destination. You might want to double-check or copy and paste the URL directly to avoid any mistakes. With your URL entered, the next thing to do is to click on the Save button. This is a crucial step as it confirms all the changes you've made and ensures that your image is now linked to the desired page. Make sure that every detail is correct before saving, as this finalizes the process. If everything looks good, you can rest assured that your image is now clickable. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully made your image clickable on your Squarespace website. This quick and easy process can significantly enhance your site's functionality, making it more interactive and user-friendly. Whether you're promoting a new product, linking to a blog post, or directing visitors to a third-party site, clickable images offer a seamless way to engage your audience. Remember, if you ever need to change the link or update your image, you can always come back into the editor and modify the settings accordingly. Squarespace is flexible and designed to accommodate your evolving needs, so feel free to experiment and get creative with your site designs. Thanks for following along and happy editing!